Hello everybody, our train here and welcome to Huddersfield on the Leeds to Manchester line and the end of the Penistone line. Getting ready to depart on platform 8 is the delayed 10:55 Cross Transpennine Express service to Newcastle. 185143. Thank you.
Train now standing at platform 4A is the 10:59 Northern service to Leeds, calling at Deaton, Murfield, Ravensthorpe, Dewsbury.
Now departing platform 4A is the 10:59 Northern service to Leeds.
Is the 11:02
144018.
Liverpool Lime Street, calling at Manchester Victoria.
Now arriving into platform 1 is the 11:02 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Victoria. 185107. Just about to depart on platform 1 is the 11:30 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Piccadilly and Warrington Central. 185109. It's getting ready to depart now. Thank you. That's 185109 on the 11:30 First Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Piccadilly and Warrington Central. Getting ready to depart on platform 1 is the 11:40 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. 185145. Now departing platform 4A is the 11:50 Northern service to Bradford Interchange. 153351. Thank you. And 150139. And this is where I'll end my video here, so thank you all for watching and I hope you've enjoyed it. My next station will be Leeds, which will be tomorrow, so please like and subscribe to my channel, Our Train, and I'll see you another time. Goodbye.